Hey guys, it's your girl Keandra and I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be another eyelash DIY lash tutorial. As you guys can see in the title of the video, Urban Dolls has sponsored this video, so if you want to see how I apply these DIY lash extensions, then stay tuned.
And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Okay, so I am now an Urban Dolls affiliate, which is about time. Just saying, because I've been doing my own lashes now. Has it been a year? I don't even know. It might have been just maybe 6 months, but I feel like it's been a while because funds are low, inflation is real, and so I have tutorials on my channel of me doing the clusters underneath. I know it's a big thing on TikTok. And I normally just get them from Amazon. So whenever Urban Dolls reached out to me, I'm like, this is right up my alley. I do this anyway. Why not showcase different styles for you guys? That way you guys can get a discount and everything. So yes, so this is what they sent me. I'm gonna go through everything that's in the box just in case you are interested in getting exactly what I got. Again, I want to thank Urban Dolls for sending me this, and let's get into the video. So in your box, you're going to receive the Purify Lash Removal Serum, which is very important whenever you remove your lash extensions, just so you don't rip your real ones out. As you guys can see, I have literally hardly no lashes left because I literally ripped mine out in my sleep. So I'm happy they actually gave me a removal so that I can preserve my natural lashes underneath. They also give you the tweezers to put them on, which is super cute and pink. Hopefully you guys can see that. I feel like it's trying to focus on everything but the tweezers. There we go, nice and pink. They also give you the lash bond agent, and it's in black. And then they also give you the sealant, which is clear. And then they gave me 2 of their Urban Doll bedroom eye style lashes, and as you can see, they're little clusters. So yeah, let's get ready to apply these lashes. So I'm gonna unbox them. This is the cutest packaging. I love purple, that is my favorite color. You can't go wrong with pink. And inside you also get the lashes themselves, and then it looks like it also comes with a spoolie. Hold on, let me see. So get a spoolie, and I think this is used to like help like press them down, I would assume, from the tutorials that I've seen. So you do get these, you get them in both packages, and then you get the lash clusters like this. They each have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clusters. You guys know I like a cat eye, or if you didn't know, I love a cat eye lash look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna put this there. I'm gonna open the tweezers. Again, these are super duper cute. And what I like about Urban Doll lashes, they literally give you everything. Like whenever I do my own lashes, I always have to order everything individually, but this literally gave you the tweezers, the sealant, the bond, and the removal all in one. So this is what they look like. Really easy to pick up. And I'm just going to take this lash, it's called the Noor Bondage Lash Bonding Agent, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna do this eye first because I always just do this eye, and I'm gonna put it on like mascara, just like so. And make sure you coat your lashes because this is what they're going to be sticking to. And if you're like me and barely have any lashes, make sure you coat as much as you can so that these can last. Okay, and now that I have put that on, I'm going to take this outer one first. And if you want a better hold, especially if you have little lashes like me, I'm actually going to take some of the bond and put it on the top of the lash like this. Sorry if you guys can't see, it doesn't know what it wants to zoom in on. But I'm going to take that and then I am going to put it underneath my lash band like so. Super easy. All right, and now I'm just going to continue on, so I'm probably going to fast forward this part. Okay.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else does me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you.
Alright, so now that I have applied them on, I'm going to take the Urban Doll Feather Control Lash Bonding Sealant, and I'm just gonna focus on the roots because that's where like the glue is, and I am gonna go on the top as well, and this is just gonna make it last. And just like so. All right, I'm going to go do the other eye off camera and then I'll come back with my final thought. All right guys, so now that I've done both eyes, let's go over the pros and cons of Urban Doll lashes. So there weren't many cons, to be honest. It was really easy to apply. I already do my lashes like this anyway. What I will say is that I think that, okay, so I got some of this, like the bondage, like on my fingers, so it can get a little messy. And what I will say is, like, whenever you take it out, maybe it's just a me thing. I need to see the bond that I'm putting on, and I feel like I didn't really see anything. Like, even if I rub it like on my hand, like that's from the tip, but from the actual bristles, like it's just a lot wasn't coming out. So I had to, like, maybe I'm just OCD. I just made sure I applied a lot because I didn't want my lashes to like come off. So I was constantly like going back in, dipping it in, trying to get more bond on it, especially when it came to me applying the bond actually on the lash too, because I am a really rough sleeper and I want these to stay on for 2 weeks. I've seen other reviews, they say they can last up to 2 weeks, so that's what I'm hoping. They did send me 2 pairs, but I want to wear the other pair when I go on my cruise in 2 weeks, so hopefully these will last. I'm more of a cat eye person, so I was trying to rearrange them, but they are kind of like, the clusters have short hairs and long hairs, so it's not like short and then long. So no matter what order I would have rearranged them, they still would have came out looking like this. So just pay attention to that if you have like a specific eye shape that you like to stick to, because I think that cat eye should look better on me. However, I don't think these look bad. I think these are a cute natural lash. I do kind of like to go dramatic just because I am a Black woman, and sometimes I feel like classic sets or short sets don't really show up on me, but I think these show up fine. I think this looks great for everyday. Pros, it was easy to apply, the sealant was fine, I do think it's really sticky. And so I will have to review the lash removal serum maybe in a week or so. I may do like a TikTok or something, but if you're interested, this is what it looks like. And so I'm interested to use this to see how these come off. But so far so good. They do feel very sturdy. Where is my spoolie? Let me see. I do like that it came with a spoolie, and I can just brush them, and I don't feel like they are going anywhere. So honestly, I'd give it like a 9 out of 10. Like, I like more voluminous lashes, and they do have different lash styles. So if you don't like the bedroom style, you can order another style. You can use my code down in the description box below for 20% off. I want to thank Urban Dolls for sponsoring this video, and make sure you guys go and get these lashes, because why not? It literally gives you the whole kit. Everything that you need comes with it, and it's probably the cheaper route anyways, as opposed to purchasing everything separately. So yeah, these are my lashes. Hopefully you guys like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.